For today's lesson, you will need a pencil and a sheet of paper. Let's start with reading comprehension. We are going to read the passage recycle together. I want you to read the first 2 sentences with me. Follow the pattern and point to the red dot as we read each word. Today, we are reading the passage recycle. Scholars, can you point to where we start reading? We start at the first line. Now, can you point to where we go when we get to the end of this line? We move to the line underneath. Now, let's read the first 2 sentences together. Follow the red dot as we read each word. We will read each sentence 2 times. Get your tapping fingers ready. We can recycle many things. We can recycle many things. We can recycle bottles. We can recycle bottles. Now it's your turn. Follow the red dot as you read each word. You will read each sentence 2 times. We can read. Wonderful job! How did you figure out some of these words? Did you look at the pictures? Can you point to the word paper in the sentence? Did you sound out the letters in the word paper? Scholars, what is this passage about? It's about the things that you can recycle. Excellent job! Now it's time to identify some letters versus words. We are going to use this pattern to identify letters versus words. Scholars, how many words do you count? Did you count 3 words? We can recycle. That's 3 words. Next, how many letters do you count? Did you count 12 letters? WECANRECYCLE. That's 12 letters. It's time to go over letter sounds. I will say each letter sound and do the motion. I want you to point to the letter that makes that sound. Are you ready? Our first letter is Which letter sounds like The next letter is W. Point to the letter that sounds like W. The next letter is X. Which letter sounds like X? The next letter is J. Point to the letter that sounds like J. The last letter is A. Which letter sounds like A? If you pointed to the letters R, W, X, J, and A, you got them all right. Give yourself some shine. Next, it'll be time for matching first sounds. Here, you will choose the correct letter that goes with each picture.
The word is potato. Potato. Which letter does the word potato start with? The word is under. Under. Which letter does the word under start with? The word is vacuum. Vacuum. Which letter does the word vacuum start with?
Matching first sounds helps us with phonemic rhyme. With phonemic rhyme, we listen to parts of a word, then put them together. Let's practice the first one together. It. It. Put them together. Which word sounds like it? It bit. Say it. It bit. Your turn. It bit. Last time. The next word is ag. Ag. Put them together. Which word does ag sound like? The last one is sh. Ooh. Sh. Ooh. Put them together. Which word does sh. Ooh sound like? We are going to end today's lesson with some spelling. I have 3 spelling words for you. We will say each word 3 times, then we will tap it out, and finally, you will need your paper and pencil to write them down. Our first word is bog. Bog. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Bog. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word bog. Get your tapping fingers ready. We're ready. Bog. B-A-G. B-A-G. Bog. Which letter sounds like B? Which letter sounds like ah. Which letter sounds like g? Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word bog. The next word is fog. Fog. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Fog. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word fog. 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 Which letter sounds like f? Which letter sounds like ah? Which letter sounds like g? Pause the video to write the word fog. The last word is log. Log. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Log. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word log. L, ah, g. L, ah, g. Log. Which letter sounds like l? Which letter sounds like ah? Which letter sounds like g? Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word log. Great job, scholars! I hope this helped grow